In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address in Exness. If you're trying to update the email linked to your Exness account, the first thing to understand is that this usually cannot be changed directly from your dashboard, like a normal profile setting. On Exness, your original registered email is typically tied to your profile for security and verification purposes, so the change has to go through the support process instead of a simple edit button. To begin, go to your Exness personal area and sign into your account. This is the main place where you manage your trading profile, account settings, and support related options. Once you're inside, the goal is not to look for an email edit field, but to contact Exness support so they can help you with the request properly. From there, use the live chat widget if it's available, or submit a support ticket by email. Live chat is often the fastest option if you want immediate guidance, while a support ticket can work well if you prefer to explain everything in writing. In either case, let them know clearly that you want to change the email address registered on your Exness account. Because this is a sensitive account change, the support team will usually ask you to confirm that you are the real account owner. Be prepared to provide your exact trading account number or numbers, especially if you have more than one account under the same profile. Make sure these details are accurate, since even a small mistake could slow down the process. You should also have your Exness support pin ready. You can usually find this in your support hub or profile area. This pin helps the support team verify your identity, so it's an important part of the request. Next, explain the reason you want to change your email address. Keep it clear and simple. For example, you may no longer have access to the old email, or you may want to move to a different address for security or convenience. You'll also need to provide both the old email address currently linked to the account and the new email address you want to use. Double check the spelling of the new one before submitting anything, because that's where future account communication may be sent. Finally, be ready in case Exness asks you to upload updated KYC documents to verify your profile. This is a normal security step and may be required before they approve the email change. Once you've submitted everything, just wait for the support team to review your request and guide you through any final verification steps.